I'm Nikki.
And I'm Jessica.
Welcome to Pronounce. Lesson 11. Today's lesson, ah. Jessica, make this sound.
Ah. Ah.
Good. Jessica, listen to me say the sound, ah. Ah. Is that sound a long sound or is that sound a short sound? Ah.
It sounds like a short sound.
You're correct. It is a short sound. Ah.
Ah.
Good, Jessica. This is the sound. Ah.
Ah.
Good. Tell me, is my mouth open when I say that sound? Does my jaw drop to say that sound? Ah.
Ah. Yes, your mouth is open and your jaw is dropped.
Good. My mouth is open and my jaw drops. Where is my tongue when I say that sound? Ah.
Ah. Your tongue is down and behind the teeth.
Good. Is it touching? Is my tongue touching the back of my teeth? Ah.
Ah. Yes, your tip of the tongue is touching.
Good. The tip of my tongue is lightly touching the back of my teeth. Ah. What about my lips? Are my lips spread?
No, not that spread.
Yes, my lips are more relaxed. Say this sound.
Ah.
And this sound?
Ah.
Good. This sound?
Ah.
And this sound?
Ah.
Good. Ah. 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 What is the difference between those two sounds? How does my mouth change from this sound to this sound?
Ah. Ah. Your jaw climbs up a little bit.
Have a look. Ah. 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 Ah.
Oh, your lips is not that wide.
Correct. My lips, when I say ah, my lips are quite wide. Ah. And then when I say ah, my lips are more relaxed. Ah. Ah. Is my jaw the same? Do I drop my jaw for both? Have a look. Ah. 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 Ah.
Yeah, your lips.
My jaw?
Oh yeah, your jaw are in the same place.
Good, my jaw is in the same place. What about your tongue? Say the two sounds and tell me where's your tongue?
Ah. 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 Ah.
Perfect.
My tongue moves a little bit back.
Good, your tongue moves a little bit back from that sound. Ah. Is that a long sound, do you think, or is that a short sound?
I think that is a short sound.
Good. Ah is a short sound.
Ah.
Ah is a short sound.
Ah.
Which other sounds have we done that are also short sounds?
The eh
Good. Eh is a short sound.
and oh.
Oo is a short sound. Are there others?
Yes, like e
Good. E is a short sound. Any others?
and this one. Eh.
Good. Is also a short sound. Well done, Jessica.